Breaking news from the world of climate science that you need to hear. A recent study has uncovered a terrifying hidden threat lurking beneath melting glaciers. We all know rising sea levels are a problem, but scientists have now mapped thousands of glacial lakes that are swelling to dangerous levels. These aren't just calm, picturesque bodies of water, they're potential time bombs. As glaciers retreat, they leave behind vast, unstable lakes, often held back only by loose rock and ice. New data shows that over 15 million people worldwide, particularly in high mountain Asia and the Andes, are living directly in the path of potential glacial lake outburst floods, or GLOFs. These are sudden, catastrophic floods that can wipe out entire communities in minutes. It's a silent hazard that has been drastically underestimated until now. This isn't a distant threat, it's a clear and present danger that requires immediate attention and planning. Stay tuned for more updates on this developing story.